Who's ready for Branson?
Who's ready for Branson?
All right, we made it. Made it up the 3.5, 4-hour drive from Tulsa to Branson. Fairly uneventful trip, which is good.
Kyler did have to say he had to go pee, so pulled off the side of the road in the middle of nowhere, opened the van door, peed out the door, shut the door, went on our way.
On we go. And we made it up here, staying at Stillwaters Resort. It's right on Tablerock Lake, which is awesome, right down the road from Stillwater City. Great location, great resort here, fairly affordable. And you know, lots of fun stuff to do. 3 pools, different water slides. We got putt-putt, a park, all sorts of food options. It's a really cool place.
The twins are back in the room right now napping, and Gigi and Papa are watching them, and whenever they wake up then we'll explore more. And
yep, we'll give you a nice little room tour, but for now Kyler's in charge. And what do you want to do, Kai?
I have to go to the water slide.
You want to go to the water slides?
Yeah, but
again and again?
there's a deer over
Yeah,
there.
to the water slides. Here we go.
You did it!
All right, no more funny business. Real golf. Hole number 9.
Daddy, how
Playing
about
for
these
keeps.
3 balls?
All right, Kyler, you're up.
Go for it.
Okay. Sit. Oh.
Well, we'll have Allison and I play for keeps in just a second.
Yeah. Woo! Watch this one. That thing is not tricky enough. Oh.
Wah.
See now. Oh, there you go. Hey, where'd they go? There he is.
Take 6.
Mom, come over here. Mom, come over here.
Hey, you use the pole to your benefit this time.
Come over here. What's the hole in this one?
Oh my gosh.
It's okay, she's still alive.
Barely.
Woo! Hey, Daddy.
Mommy's gonna hit it in. Hopefully.
What a shot from the sand. Second place.
Mommy did it. Can you believe it?
All right, we're out here on the aqua bikes. Hey Kai, is this pretty fun?
Yeah,
Is it the coolest bike you've ever had?
yeah,
Are you steering it?
yeah,
Is all you say yeah?
yeah.
Yeah, typical.
Gigi, you're coming for the beach. Hunt out! When how here we come, crash!
Is Olympic kayaking a thing?
Oh yeah.
Because I think we've got the twin power team.
You are going this way,
Olympics
Mommy.
2048 or whatever. They'll be ready.
Hayden, you Callan.
Ashman, you tell him where to go, okay? Good job, Kai.
Captain Kai, driving the ship.
My dad's steering me.
You are steering.
Quick little room tour for you. Coming in, 2-bedroom unit. Really nice full kitchen off to the side. Washer and dryer, really nice for the pool towels. Brought some food, make things a lot easier. Huge gathering space here. Murphy bed for even more people, for all your extended family to sleep. We've got a first bedroom here. Kyler sleeping down on that bed. Gigi and Papa in this room. Probably the best part here, this awesome balcony with the lake view. Let's pull this open. Nice covered balcony, which is great. A view of Tablerock Lake here, all those toys we were playing with earlier. Just an awesome view to hang out and relax. I flew the drone off of the balcony a little bit ago. We'll put some of that footage here after this room tour. Second bedroom is where Allison and I have been sleeping. Got the twins and the pack and plays here. Plenty of space to put everybody. And then this bathroom is ridiculous. We've got a big, huge jacuzzi tub, big windows to that same lakefront view. Overall, great room. This place, my family's been here in the past. Love this place. Reasonable and way nicer than most hotel rooms. So we're looking forward to our stay the next couple days, getting soda our city tomorrow, and let's see how I did with these drone shots here in just a second. Tyler, you like this chicken?
Yeah, and I'm dipping in this now.
Ranch and ketchup, chicken tender basket. Kyler approves.
Yeah.
All right, take a bite. Yum. Some burrito, burgers, chicken tender basket. Asher getting some fries. That's with Hayden. Solid dinner.
Here's Ashman. We're back at the pool for a second time tonight. So, having lots of fun. Kids are going crazy, loving it.
Asher wiping out. Hayden splashing away. Hayden, we're doing it! We're doing it, Hayden! Woohoo! We made it! Good job. Been on this thing about 50 times today. Now time for 51. Woo! Alright, so really solid first day here in Branson at Stillwater Resort. Everybody else is asleep, except for one of the twins. We're not sure which one. Somebody keeps squawking in there sometimes. But other than that, everybody else is asleep. We're just gonna wind down, play a little of the card game golf here, take it easy for a little bit, and get ready for big day at Silver Dollar City in the morning.
Until tomorrow, we'll catch you on the flippity flip.